I got a little ponytail. I got me a ponytail. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a textured bun, top knot bun on TWA hair. This is what my hair looks like at the moment. But before we even get into how I got that hairstyle, as you guys seen in my thumbnail, I want to give a special shout out to MVMT for sending me this beautiful gold watch. It is from the New Frost collection. This is the Gold Rush watch in the color gold. It is 22 millimeters. It looks very elegant. You know, it's minimalist jewelry aesthetic with a classic square silhouette. It's gold stainless steel and it's $158. Now, don't be alarmed by the price, because down below I have a 15% off discount code that you guys can use. Make sure you guys click it in the description box, and make sure you guys go check out MVMT on their website. They sell sunglasses, they sell necklaces, they sell bracelets, all of the necessity jewelry that you need to pair with your beautiful watch. So make sure you guys go check them out. Follow them on Instagram so you don't miss out when they have a new product being launched. Once again, this is the New Frost collection in the color Gold Rush. Make sure you guys go and get it. All right, y'all, as y'all seen, this is my hair at the moment. It's like semi damp a little because I did some flat twists earlier. So my hair is basically detangled because I can like run my fingers through it. And I'm just going to like brush my hair back and just like slick it all and kind of like run my fingers through it so it can all come together. So I'm gonna need something like really strong to hold this hair down. So I'm gonna use the Got To Be Glue, the yellow one. Okay, y'all know this bitch strong. This is some strong stuff. So I'm just like gelling this bad boy up, okay? I'm gonna use my boyfriend brush. What type of brush is this? Cut. I need a new brush because that brush wasn't cutting it. Like, I need a brush with some of that pull action. Oh yes, the one that's gonna slick it. So I'm just gonna brush all around the perimeter, upward. Like I want it up, like up here, up. Yup. Oh yes, honey. Grab your rubber band. And you're gonna tie it until you can't tie no more. Oh, y'all see me? I got a little ponytail. I got me a ponytail. You're gonna grab some more gel. See, we gotta get that back. You see that? Gotta get that back part right there. And you're gonna brush it up. Brush it. Okay? Then you're gonna grab your ponytail, your little ponytail. Apply a mini rubber band. And then now I'm gonna grab me some clip-ins. So this is the Better Lane 3C4A clip-ins. And basically I'm going to place the clips in my hair upside down. So I'm put one on this side. And then I'm gonna put one on this side. I'm just gonna clip it. All right. So this is what it's gonna look like.
Hold up. Pause, yeah. Pause.
And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just wrap it around. I don't really like that. I kind of want like like one of those type of buns. So you gotta be light when you wrap it. So when you wrap it, be gentle. Kind of go around, like fluff it around. Grab a bobby pin, pin it. And then you're gonna just adjust it to your liking. So we're gonna pin it again. Okay. Basically, you just gotta play with it. So Now let's get into the baby hairs. So this is what I'm going to be using for my baby hairs. It's the HIGH BUN Extreme Firm Hold, no flaking, the 48-hour edge tamer, coconut oil and argan oil. Now I just bought this, so I'm still kind of using it, but if you guys used it, comment down below. And if you know any other better edge controls, comment down below, because I've been looking for one and I can't seem to find one, so help a sister out. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Got the baby hairs going, you know what I'm saying? Got the little textured bun going. Hello, like, who are you playing with? If you guys liked the way I went about achieving this textured top knot bun, give this video a thumbs up. All right, and before I close out, this is elegant, this is classy, okay, and minimal. Like this watch is everything. Y'all finna see me wear this watch all the time. Once again, thank you again to MVMT for sending me this beautiful watch. Make sure you guys go check them out on Instagram and their website. They have many other products and items that you guys can purchase. Discount code down in the description box. Check that out. So don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time.
Yeah, I don't really know